Ever wondered what the future might look like, intrigued by the idea of a world filled with mind-boggling technology? Welcome to an exploration of 10 futuristic technological concepts that are set to redefine the world as we know it. Starting at number 10, we have quantum computing. Imagine a computer so powerful that it can solve problems currently beyond our reach. That's the promise of quantum computing, a technology that harnesses the strange laws of quantum physics to deliver processing power that leaves traditional computers in the dust. Coming up next, at an exciting number 9, we have self-driving cars. Can you believe it? Cars that drive themselves are already sharing our roads, signaling an incredible transformation in our travel norms. Possessing the ability to dramatically cut down accidents and supercharge efficiency, self-driving cars are no less than a thrilling technological revolution on wheels. Get ready, because the future of travel is here and it's self-driven. At number 8, we have space tourism. With companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin making strides in the field, space is no longer just the final frontier for trained astronauts. One day, you might be able to experience the awe-inspiring beauty of space for yourself. Coming in at number 7, we have artificial intelligence. AI is evolving at a breakneck pace, and it's not just about creating smart assistants or chess-playing computers anymore. We're talking about machines that could match or even surpass human intelligence. Interesting, right? Please subscribe to Wafter YouTube channel, press the bell button, and like this video for more interesting videos like this. At number 6, we find virtual reality and augmented reality. These technologies are becoming more immersive and affordable by the day, and they're set to change everything from how we work and learn to how we play and explore. Breaking into the top 5, we have renewable energy. With sources like solar and wind becoming more efficient and affordable, renewables could soon replace fossil fuels as our primary source of energy, creating a cleaner, more sustainable world. At number 4, we have nanotechnology. This is the science of the extremely small, and it's set to have a massive impact. By manipulating matter at the atomic and molecular level, nanotech could revolutionize industries from medicine to manufacturing. Into the top 3 now with gene editing. Technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 are giving us the ability to tweak our very DNA, potentially curing genetic diseases and even enhancing human abilities. At number 2, we have 3D printing of organs. With this technology, the wait for organ transplants could become a thing of the past. Custom-made organs could be created for those in need, revolutionizing medical science. And finally, at number 1, we have brain-computer interfaces. Imagine controlling computers and devices with just your thoughts. This could open up new ways of interacting with the world around us, taking communication and accessibility to a whole new level. It's clear that we're living in an incredibly exciting era of technological innovation. From quantum computing to brain-computer interfaces, these 10 concepts are just the tip of the iceberg. The future is bright, and technology is the torch leading the way. Buckle up, because the ride into the future is going to be nothing short of extraordinary. The future looks very bright for technology. There are many exciting new technologies on the horizon that have the potential to change our lives in many ways. It will be interesting to see how these technologies develop and how they are used in the future.